Want to save photos from Instagram directly to your phone? Many people think you need third-party apps, but that's not true. In this video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to save Instagram photos in seconds. Welcome to Preyo Phonie. Today, I'll show you 2 simple methods to save Instagram photos to your phone quickly and safely. Method 1. Automatically save Instagram stories to your gallery. Step 1. Unlock your phone and launch the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage. Check that the app is updated to the latest version. Now, you're ready to access your settings. Step 2. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap your profile picture to open your profile page. This section gives you access to account settings. From here, you can customize how your content is saved. Step 3. At the top right corner of your profile, tap the 3 horizontal lines. This will open the main settings menu. Here, you'll see several account management options. Now we'll go to the archive and download settings. If this tutorial is helping you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more powerful Instagram tips every week. Step 4. Scroll down through the settings menu carefully. Look for the option called Archiving and Downloading. Tap on it to open the saving and backup options. This section controls how your stories are stored. Step 5. Find the option labeled Save Story to Gallery. Turn on the toggle switch next to it. Once enabled, every story you post will automatically save to your phone. Now your Instagram stories will always be backed up in your gallery. Method 2. Save Instagram photos. Using screenshot. Step 1. Scroll through your Instagram feed. Find the photo you want to save. Use your phone's screenshot shortcut to capture the image. The screenshot will be saved in your device gallery. Step 2. Go to your phone's gallery or Photos app. Find the screenshot you just captured. Tap on the image to open it. Now you can edit the screenshot. Step 3. Look for the edit or crop icon on your screen. Tap on the crop tool to adjust the image frame. This allows you to remove unwanted areas from the screenshot. Now prepare to refine the image. If this tutorial is helping you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more powerful Instagram tips every week. Step 4. Drag the crop edges around the main photo. Cut out the username, captions, and borders. Focus only on the image itself. Make sure the photo looks clean and centered. Step 5. After cropping the image, tap the Done button. Your edited photo will now save to your gallery. You now have a clean version of the Instagram photo. This is one of the quickest manual saving methods, and those are 2 easy ways to save Instagram photos to your phone. Using built-in settings or simple screenshots can save you time and effort. Always respect the original creator and give credit if you repost their content. For more smart Instagram tutorials, keep watching Preyo Phonie, where we make social media simple and powerful.